In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase, set up, and connect to a NordVPN dedicated IP. A dedicated IP gives you the same VPN address every time you connect, which can help with things like allow listing your connection for work tools, reducing security prompts, and avoiding frequent CAPTCHA checks. It's not included by default, so you'll add it as an extra to your existing VPN plan. Let's walk through everything from purchase to your first connection. First, purchase the dedicated IP. Start by logging into your Nord account on the website. In your subscription area, look for the dedicated IP add-on and add it to your plan. You'll see that it comes with an extra cost, and during checkout, you'll be asked to choose the country where your IP will be based. Pick the location that best suits your needs, close to you for speed or in a region you specifically require for access. Complete the purchase and give it a moment to link to your account. When that's done, you're ready to set it up in the app. Next, set it up in the NordVPN application. Open the app on your device and navigate to the specialty server section. Depending on your app version, you'll find this by clicking the NordVPN logo or by scrolling down the server list. Look for the dedicated IP category. If you see a message that says setup required, click the button or tap the three dots next to it to finish configuration. The app will guide you through whatever is needed to attach the dedicated IP to your account. If you don't see the dedicated IP option right away, make sure you're signed in to the same account you used for purchase, and consider updating the app to the latest version. Once setup completes, the dedicated IP category will be ready to use. Finally, connect. In the dedicated IP category, select the specific server in the country you chose and click Connect. Wait for the status to change to Connected, and you're all set. From now on, return to the same entry whenever you want that consistent address. If you switch to other servers elsewhere in the app, you'll be using a shared IP instead. So come back to the dedicated IP section whenever you need the fixed one. That's it. Purchase the add-on, complete the setup inside the app, and click Connect on your chosen dedicated IP. Enjoy the stability and convenience of the same VPN address every time you log in.